I'm boiling 8 ounces of water to one of the Mexican piloncillos, which is 100% evaporated cane sugar. That's basically what it is. Making my barbecue sauce for my short ribs. All right, so I have salt, pepper, thyme, chili flakes, anise, and clove, and this is a garlic, one garlic. It just broke there. And then I'm going to put just like a couple of tablespoons of Worcester sauce and balsamic vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of that into the mix here. Drop it right in. Stir it. And as soon as this melts, I'm going to add my barbecue sauce, whichever barbecue sauce you find at the grocery store. This is just a nice mix to add to that. Make it a little homemade, but faster process. And now I add my favorite barbecue sauce. In this case, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. You can also use the spicy barbecue sauce. There's just so many, it doesn't matter, but this is where I'm able to add my favorite barbecue sauce to my mixture. I have some mixture that I parted out because I'm going to make a second flavor here. How are the ribs, babe?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's cheat day, Thursday.
It sure is, huh?
What are you eating?
I mean, spare ribs that you made on the Instapot. Absolutely delicious.
I didn't mean to say for you to say that. I just wanted you to give me how the ribs are.
They're delicious.
Oh, okay. They must be good. You have food all around your mouth.
I'm saving that for later. Yep.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
well, good.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You are too. Ribs for breakfast.